Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial for today, I'm going to show you how to add beads to your crochet project. Here I have earrings and I want to add some beads too. For this I'm going to need, this is a glass bead, a rounded glass beads, sew thread, a needle and some scissors. Here make sure that the needle goes easily through the bead. So let's get started. I will need the sewing thread. I'm going to cut the thread, fold it in half, join the two ends and thread it to the needle. Make sure that the color of the thread is the same as the earrings, the crochet projects you want to add the beads to. So I'm going to thread the thread into this needle, the two ends. I'm going to start from the right side of my earring. I'm going to insert the needle here in this. Let's start from here. This is a double crochet from the bottom here. Insert the needle into this loop. Insert the needle in the double crochet body from the bottom and turn your work. Place one bead in the needle into the next double crochet. Here I have 3 chains, so in the bottom one I'm going to insert my needle. Another bead, and from the bottom, in the bottom of the double crochet stitch, I'm going to insert the needle and thread it. Continue in all the next spaces around this earring. Here I finished all the spaces. Make a double knot in the stitch. Hide the tail of the thread. And cut the thread. Do the same for the other earring. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for today. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye. The written pattern of these beautiful earrings is on the description box.